welcome back, guys. So this is gonna be another Micro Zombies video. I love the samba music in the background though, like it sounds so good. But yeah. So you know what? Lighthouse. I'm gonna play some Lighthouse because there's a new thing that I want to show off. Very, and I mean very powerful. It's incredible, dude. Yeah. I'm gonna cut Sombo talking because, you know, yeah. So there has been some changes of the about the map. So
10, 9, 8, 7.
So
6.
Some things have
5,
changed.
4, 3, 2.
Mainly how
1.
expensive it takes to beat the Easter egg. I'll show you what I mean. Well, what the heck? Look at this. 1,000 points. That is 3 times cheaper. I'm gonna get this soul box up as fast as I can. They've also made sliding quite a bit faster. But that one zombie in the front does kind of look like John Wick. It's insane that with one swipe, you can take out 4 zombies, if not more. So I'm thinking of grabbing the, doing the. Oh my goodness! My blink is bugged out. AK. The AK has been boosted. Like, that thing is an absolute beast. And in tomorrow's video, I'll be doing a full cover of the new map. So stay tuned for that. It's a little risky to take them out, but apparently, I thought, you know, maybe we should add some slack on people. Maybe it should be like 7,000. And also, of course, 1,500 now instead of 5,000. But yeah, the oil used to be about 7,000 to get. Apparently, they thought like, whoa, people aren't able to get this very early. Like, this thing's supposed to be one-shotting after round 10. Like, they're getting it barely by 6. So, and I almost got myself trapped. I keep almost getting myself trapped, but I didn't. Because soul box needs to be filled. So that's what I'm doing. Whoa. But yeah. Apparently they had huge amounts of mercy on us. Because this is so easy. Round 4. Already got the. That means I have 6 rounds to gain huge amounts of points. Meaning, just beating it is gonna be incredibly, way easy. Like, I'm assuming that by about round 6, I'm gonna have about 10,000 points. Simply due to the fact, like, power is gonna be on within a round. Like, I'm already quite a ways there. There we go, 3,000 points, almost 4. Now we're up to almost, now we're down to just under 2,000. Now I have the safety of another chance at life, quickly live, and 8 more souls, and power's on by round 6. Like, they have made this way easy. Now, if you want to see how it used to be, then you can check that out on my YouTube channel at LOC. Same as, you know. Wait, why did I just show that up? You're watching this on my YouTube. That was a little stupid. But yeah. This is what I was gonna talk about. This block right here has completely changed the game. Pack-a-punch weapons on this map. It's not a pack machine. You just have to get lucky with the drops. But this is huge. This has changed the entire thing. It's no longer like, uh-oh, like, my guns are really doing damage. I have a positive by ammo. No. No, it is no longer like that. And it is an amazing change. And another double points, which is gonna easily boost me to the like, this is boosting me to like unbelievable points. It was very difficult to have, you know, 12,000 points. Wow, it is raining really hard outside. I don't know if you guys can hear this. I'll quiet for a few minutes. I'll watch that back in the audio and actually see if I can hear it. I don't know, but I can literally feel the vibrations through the table. Through my desk. It's the size of a table, so I call it a table. It's my gaming table. Yeah, this is quite a bit of rain. But yeah, like there is now pack-a-punch on this map. Now I understand why they wouldn't put a pack machine, because they're trying to make you, they're trying to push you to put all your points, every bit of your points, into getting it done. The fastest I got it done on my original attempt, I think, was 23. I beat it on around 23. Now with like, it's round 8, and I've already got a 10th of what I need. Oh, no, not even a 10th, it's a 6th. I've already got 4, which is allowing me to just get thousands of points. Actually, after this round, oh no, I'm actually gonna wait till about round 10. When the ore starts one-shotting, I'll buy quick speed. Now, sadly, there is no mule kick, which would be amazing, but sadly there isn't. And you can re-obtain this pistol on box. That's a really good gun, but I'm not going to take it because I want my AK. Because AK is absolutely incredible. That's a lot of points. But yeah, now that you're able to get the ore easily round 3, it's insane. And this pistol is making like everything a lot safer. If I get trapped, bam. Like, you don't have to get power on as fast anymore. And double tap isn't nearly as needed on co-op. Now, I don't know why you would ever play this map on co-op except for, like, on stream, which I did today. And we finally beat it thanks to Viper, so thanks to him. He was was able to carry us through, and also seeing you from my stream. Quite a bit. They have not. I don't know about solos, but I know it. Oh, it doesn't one shot. Okay. It's still whacking back. Alright, you get it. They all just get annihilated. And a packed AK. So the striking move. Friends, you are never gonna have to worry about this again. Now, I am gonna have to worry about getting ray gun. Like, that is the only thing at this point that I really need. That's a good gun, I'm just gonna take it. But yeah. But no, this will never be as difficult as it was before. Not only does this pistol reload, but it's incredibly powerful. It just wiped out insane amount of bombs. Now, I'm hoping... There we go. Because I have Jug, I'm not really worried about it hitting me. Except till I get one shot. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna train this thing. Just keep spinning the box. Oh, well, hopefully it doesn't get dark. What was that? Alright, it's down there. Alright. But no, literally, this has never been easier. Because all you do, buy the box, run around. Alright. Well, it's not what I'm looking for. But no, the Kaboom C9000 is absolutely amazing. This thing has to be one of the best guns in the game. You wanna know what your percentage of getting it? 100%. And you can't save money because there are some wall guns on this map that cost less than blocks. So yeah. But no, I'm literally just gonna spend this until I get Reagan. And because I've got so many points available to me, I'm not really worried. Ray gun is gonna be, because the thing about high rounds on this map is you have the option to end it if you choose to. You don't have to. It's a difficult map to like go up to around 1,000,000 on, but you know, it's technically possible. Sure, the guns are gonna stop killing, but you know, if you got lucky enough with pack punch drops every time you switch to a different gun, you could have. It'd take hours and hours and hours. But you could buy the AK-47U and keep buying ammo. Wouldn't be. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if you could actually buy ammo. I think you could. Now, hopefully I won't spend all my money on the box. But, you know, if that happens, then it happens. But yeah, also, new perk. There is a new perk. There's only one way to get it, though. The Panzer. It's a good gun, I just don't need it. The only thing I'm switching either... Because this thing is nice. The only thing I'm switching is the AK for the ray gun. That is the only... Imagine if they added double pack into this. Like, dude. You would get to around 1,000,000 if there was double pack on this. But yeah, you literally just spend... You can literally just run around here. Personally, I think this is the best box location. Now, sadly, it always spawns up there, but you kind of only need you need only one. Like, it's better to have only one zombie for doing this. I don't think I'm gonna get lucky. Oh, nope, no crap! I got oof. That's a noob. I really wanted that. That was so good. Oh, and I had well, you can't always have it your way. Don't you dare die. Other than that, you don't need wig. And of course it does. Yeah, I'm not taking it. You don't need the ray gun. And personally, I don't like it because, number one, it does huge amounts of damage. Which is good. The only problem with it is it only gives 6 no matter where you hit. And when I can line them up and get 15 headshots in a row, I'm gonna take that. I know it's not the ray gun, but like the fact that one bullet, maybe not one bullet. Look at that. I'm not gonna grab that nuke, but literally everything's ready. Now, I'm kind of sad that I lost that gun, but, like, ew. Yes! Like, I really want it back, but, you know, I'll spend two box goods. I'm gonna take that, because it's good. Yay! I'll be able to get it back. I know that was an unnecessary spend. Well, I'll get it on I know that was an unnecessary spend of money, but really, it doesn't matter. I wonder what the world record for fastest beat is gonna be. Like, not as in time, but as in rounds. Maybe time too. But I wonder what the fastest round possible is. Let's say you get an average of 100 every zombie. An average of 100 points. And it also knocks it back, which means this thing is kind of saving. Like, this thing actually kind of saves it. Also allows you to use it. Which is technically even more point efficient. A little bit more dangerous because it takes a little bit of time to swing. But technically, like, I'm 20,000 points already. Now, I don't know when I'll get another pack of fudge stuff. They don't seem to be super common, and I don't know if they're round based. I do know that you can get more than 2 because I was playing co-op on stream today, on Twitch. I stream on Twitch. I'll be streaming again tomorrow. But you can see that zombies are right there. Now I am low, so I'm gonna take the safe approach and just kill them all. The gun that still gives a bit of but yeah, it's and the amount of ammo this has. Like, the thing is a pack-a-punch weapon determines if you make it to round 5? Oh, well, not round 5. But a pack-punched weapon, oh, and you can deposit 10,000 in instead of having to have 60,000 all at once. So that's a nice change. I thought it was only on co-op, but apparently they changed it because on co-op you could not beat it. There was no possible way you could beat this map on co-op because one person would have to get 60,000. It was just not possible. It simply wasn't possible on co-op. It was ending up incredibly high rounds. And nobody really had any money for it. And because at that point, everyone's constantly down. Like, nobody's gonna be able to save up 60,000 points. There's another one. So, yeah, I'm gonna say I'm gonna be, I don't know if I'll beat it before round, I'm gonna say, I think I'll beat it before round 20. The only reason it's that high is simply because I had to spin the box so many times waiting. But I wonder what the lowest possible round is for beating this. I want to know. Because, let's say, you get a perfect score of 100 points for every zombie kill. Now, you get wave gun, first spin, so you're gonna get it on the ground. But let's say you still get 100 before kill. And of course you have the 1,000 to open, you have the 1,000 to open up the core cabinet, you have the 1,500 to buy it. Yeah, I'm getting about 10,000 a round. So, like, I only need 9,000 this one to make the same. So yeah, in about 2 rounds, I'm gonna beat it. That is easily 3 rounds, and that was because I was spinning for this thing. Now I might not even get it upgraded. I really might not. But yeah, this thing. Okay, now it's taking 3 hits, so it's quite a bit more dangerous. But no, if you just spam it, you will be pretty much okay. Now, sure, it's not killing you. Like, if you mess up, then you get instant. Like, it gives so many times. And it's just incredible. There we go. Well, that's not 10,000 points. 7. But you can only put 10,000 in at one time. So if I'm lucky, now I don't know if I'm going to use any more of this one. It's simply so risky. Like, if I mess up once with it, I will not be able to save myself. There's no possible way. Now, sadly, I just got a pack punch drop. Didn't have C7 yet. Put out is because if something overwhelms me, I need to be able to spin. Yeah, that sucks. That is a nuke, so if I need to... No! Okay, that is not good. That will save me. So, sadly, I'm not going to beat it this round. I need Jug. I knew I really shouldn't have been using it. I am going to grab double tap. Grab all the books. So now Now it's impossible. Did I just get another? I just got another, didn't I? But yeah, double tap is gonna be incredible. But yeah, sadly I took one down. That isn't gonna affect me too much. It only took almost 10. It only took about 2,000. But, you know, I'd say I'd recommend stop using the oil after it 2 shots. Like, it is just not gonna go your way. So I'm not gonna be able to escape this round, but I will easily be able to escape next one. Now, it's sad that I accidentally, but then again, if I would have had that, I wouldn't have been able to save. That nuke saved this round. If I hadn't gotten that nuke, I would have been dead. And I said a few minutes before, like, yeah, and I got that nuke in case I need it. In case I need it. Oh no, 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 no. No! I failed the round because of a sneeze? Imagine failing the game because of a sneeze. Because I sneezed and looked away for 2 seconds, I died. What a way to go out, dude. What a way to die. What a way to die. Nah, bro. That can't be, dude. Nah. Nah, man. Well, you know, stuff happens. But, you know, I did my best. So I'll see you guys in the next one.